IGP news, Meba Obibia Akwawa. I had the latest and hot news in Kwa, and I'm the Bravo Energy Civilian subscriber. Ya, one day I say over subscribe to the channel. You be able to say over click a subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. We have this new video be uploaded on also what's ever can be. I feel we are would like to give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my offer for us now. When you be here now, and some air course so air will down a bemano. Afriyie and some other tour your proso. A year can tell like a tea, none or in simply at the two fire Paul Adom Otchere. I would think more good evening Ghana, Net2 TV. Now, and no nowadays and simply to what to say about what be a year Paul and then a trip now. He say about what the city they giant 2 times. Then when I say Paul and threatening and about we are Kelvin and some Abetuga medical disaster story na Abremo. Now when a year Paul Adom Otchere Akoto TV station a year Net2 TV Mudia would be good in Ghana and what they a new year Abre a year Kelvin Taylor. Kelvin sorry actually was other more damning secrets what they know about Abetuga. Now I intend to marry you could see a year and somewhere also a year Kelvin Taylor reaction. If I hear some Paul answer the about Abetuga. And somewhere also video.
Paul Adom Otchere a hosts a hosty show be a year Metro TV. For some time now, he has been lying to the NPP pick soldiers, making them think he's smart. Because majority of the people who follow the NPP are dumb. Listen, Paul Adom Otchere, he could not pass his law school exams. He came, admitted on national television that he went to law school, stole his friend's work. Such a person should not stand on TV to try to tell you how this country should be governed.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
He's not there yet.
Hot news all time.
Intellectually, he's very dim. Full of himself, but full of shit. Because almost are ignorant, foolish masses who only believe in tribe and slogans, but not to crack and think. In this Kenya politics, and then you're gonna be na Jimmy Kakra. Somebody like Paul Adom Otchere should not ever sit on TV to even analyze Ghana's issues. But it is because when people wear Vietnam suits, Cambodian suits, their legs like she-goats stand on TV with multicolored teeth, pretending to be intelligent. That is what we get. That is why today we see what we're seeing today in Ghana, because there are a lot of foolish, ungrateful liars on TV pretending to be smart. Now, last week I came on TV to tell Ghana for say Paul Adom Otchere BB, and as a Ghanaian, as a married man, I don't want Paul Adom Otchere Yere and Nemba to feel say I'm going too deep or I want to mess up his marriage. Even though we know from day one, Paul Adom Otchere were ne yere onen da dan ba akumuda. Ne yere akwache Paul Adom Otchere on so many occasions sleeping with men. And they know. Ne yere ache Paul Adom Otchere sleeping with even their house help. It's there. The woman is just sitting with Paul because or you say Paul with TV, so she's just embarrassed to go out and ask for a divorce. But it's her own problem. But Bekache Ghana for say Paul Adom Otchere is doing something. And that thing Paul Adom Otchere is doing, no, they're all dangerous because say ni pebia brabo, say amanfobi awaria sebio. Say amanfobi awaria sebio eni se awari nidia oyesa. So I came as a gentleman and I advised Paul, say, come out and apologize to anybody through your actions. What say Oma warrior? What threaten Omo? Yes, I did. If you say, who are family to say me? Do not do that. It wasn't about Paul going out there to sleep with dogs, so I don't care. But the moment you enter a married woman's house or home, you don't destroy the home as a man. And so yes, you cannot stand on TV as the same person trying to let people think, say, unimunyansa or say nipatiu. So I nicely came and told Paul, say, Paul, go out there and apologize and stop this. Because na respect and me woma Paul and ma and then but I thought this guy was smart. I thought he was intelligent. I thought to say, oh, nipebi or the next time I say, hey, this guy is being very gentle with you. for drugs no Jimmy ni nyina to nchen ne take the right decision. But I think for some time, sika we wia ene sebio corrupt wabe no, or feel it so powerful. He's threatening people around and saying so many things. Now, Enra Paul Adomochi came on his show to respond to Insama Mekayano. Mumi entie Paul Adomochi ankasa no asem. I will show my evidence and I'll show you, or I'll let you hear some exclusive.
All time.
This is Paul Adomochi on Good Evening Ghana.
So viewers, you remember that I'm addressing this matter because I read the text messages and the comments underneath it. And I was completely surprised. So I decided to address it. I think you remember this photograph, viewers. I think you remember this photograph. Last year, I was invited by these two gentlemen that you see here to Oktoberfest in Germany. This is the video. Show them the video. This video I showed here. Now, Due Respect has a video of me and a lady whom I know well. She's like a family friend. She lives in Germany. And I was in Munich. She doesn't live in Munich. She had come with her family to Oktoberfest. And because I didn't understand German and I know her quite well, I asked her to come along. See, Oktoberfest is a festival, if you know. It's a festival. So it's happening on a park. Everybody's there. It's a very huge park there. And they were showing me German. Some of the park shows German history of German technology, entertainment, fun, all these things, roller coaster, all of that. So we're going through. And I invited her to follow me. So she kept her nanny with her daughters, her children. And then she followed me just so that she can explain the German that the people are saying in case they are saying something. You know, we Africans, we're always suspicious like that. In case they are saying something. And Oktoberfest is a festival. It's fun. So there's hugs, there's pegs, there's all of that going on over there. So when she was leaving, when she finished and she was leaving, she held me and gave me a peg. And there's a video of it, which was loaded on the Oktoberfest Instagram page. Due Respect shows the video yesterday, says that the girl I'm dating her. I have bought a house for $1.2 million in Germany for her. You haven't even heard the words, viewers. I'm coming to it. And that I have stolen $10 million of Ghana airport money and deposited it in the accounts in Germany. And because the lady says she doesn't want me again, I don't know what it means. She doesn't want me again. I am threatening her. Absolutely, I've never dated her. I'm not threatening her. So I called her and I said, have you seen this? She doesn't know Due Respect. She has never spoken to Due Respect before. So she's asked her lawyers to draft a statement for her so she can put on social media that she's the lady in the photograph. She has no problem with me. I'm just a friend, a close friend, family friend. She comes to Ghana. She calls me. She's been with me and my family people at a concert in Ghana, Kofi Atta. We all went to see it. She came there with her children. They were there. And they stayed in the same hotel as because an Oktoberfest hotel. At some point, I even asked her to go organize watching for me. You know me and my street food things. I ate some watching in Washington, D.C.
You were watching Juicy News on YouTube.
I was in Washington. I said I wanted watching. And one of the people said, okay, I can get you watching. They bought the watching. It was super. So I said, Charlie, can you organize watching for me? We had all that fun. This Due Respect guy says, I am threatening the lady that I will kill her because I'm dating her and she says she won't date me anymore. I mean, such total fallacy, bizarre story because they don't have content and they're going to have a meeting that try and say something about Paul Adomochi. And I don't know why they always use women. Because the other day, my older brother KKD, they sat on some TV program and said that he saw me at his event with a lady. And I mean, it is so bizarre. It's totally bizarre. Please tell the Due Respect guy that I'm not threatening anybody. I'm not having a relationship with anybody. That I'm threatening her. As for the 1.2 million and the 10 million, you know.
So this way of Paul Adomochi, there's a reason why I decided to play Sene ya wankasa wate wo wasum. Inti untimi njema no nsibone. O kasa no o start no say ye bibi e friend no October 1st our Germany. Na abrofo mienu na omugina ho na invite no. Or say abrofo mienu na who were just drunk walking at the event, and normally it happens at events in Germany, such events, you see people dressed in very funny clothes. They can meet you and take pictures with you. Paul Adomoch one, that lie, nobody invited him to October 1st. Sa abrofu mienu no mjino no, they are not Paul's friends. Na sa abrofu na invite to October 1st. Aden Omankasa entumi nye the translation now. How were you able to communicate with them? If they invited you to October 1st, they at least should be able to communicate with you. Or you were communicating with them in Germany online, and when you got to Germany, they could not speak English at all. So you needed a Ghanaian lady. Where Jimmy? Your level, your IQ is so low. Where Jimmy? Unim atrompocha. Entro. Enye Jimmy for the chantro. Unim nyansa to me chantro. A Jimmy for hey Paul, where Jimmy? You blew yourself up. But me betro. You were invited by 2 white guys. That was the only picture you took of those 2 white guys. Those 2 white guys, they don't speak English, right? How were you able to communicate with them to come to October 1st? It's a lie. Now, or say that video you showed on October 1st, I played a video on my show to show, said, this is the lady. Why didn't he play the video? Because he knows. Says, sa video, no, at the end of the day, no, Obia behu on to me explain the video, no. Into the video I played on my show, which is this video, no, Paul Adom Otchere avoided the video and played another video on Abrofon Kwasiafo Miedu picture. The video I played, because that is the most important thing. You ignored the video I played and you went to bring a video you and some foolish white boys taking picture to replace what I was talking about. For some reason, he avoided that video. He was lying. Now, he said, the lady in the video, with all due respect, played, it's like a family friend. Be very careful. Tie Paul words ye. Or say, Obana, meme bo video na uhu no, eye busiani. Or to say busia. Or some make a statement. Or say Odru Germany no na ofre sa Obana no Obani Jan and mama and nani. And Obani ba October 1st. Obani nebe ye translation channel. And to get on it there, her job was to come to the October 1st and do what? Do translation for him. So, 2. Or say Obani was ma. That means Obani was married. Obani jane ma. Obani ni bibia ye. Because we didn't porn ojai bibia no buy say yembra October 1st. Me na me your translator. Abrofum yenu no de Paul buy no. They could not speak English. How did Paul communicate to those Abrofum yenu no? Paul, we are boa. Ogen sa akwara bi no ni dili wa. Now, or say he asked the lady to come along. It's like a family friend. Bibia he asked the lady to come along. Mumfa words no. Or say when the lady was leaving, video na me botchere mo no. Obane ko no kissing afono. The lady was leaving. Sa na ye na abrochire abofunu. Into the lady when she was leaving no, and o kissing afono ho. Into kiss na mo hu ye no, na ye oba no a goodbye kiss. The lady translator na mo hu video no. Or say obane ko no, and o kissing afono ho. Oni obane ni bibia ye. Pontius Pilate or Ronensa ho. Paul. Osaka bibi. Or say Memika so dating and he has never dated the lady. San okay. His words were like, I have never dated the lady. Odi batri kasema ana akan kasema or say ono oni oba wintwim pena da. Or so oba no or they say busia and omani goodbye kiss. Oba Germany no October 1st. And the woman came along. And all corona man goodbye kiss. Oba ni de onenentwim pena da. That means their relationship just ends there as like family members. Oba we no say Obani Momu lawyers will write to me. When I spoke on the matter, I spoke on you, Paul. The lady, I didn't concentrate on the lady. It was an advice to you, Paul. By you, Paul, your lawyers could not write to me. But the lady said, I have shown her face on TV. She's going to write to me. But you were telling me, or you were telling us from the beginning, say, that video you showed, it was posted on October 1st. That means the lady was in the video. That means the document, those videos are public documents. And I'm what? So what is making the lady say, so Okofa lawyers are assuming, and I'm ready. I am ready to face the ladies' lawyers and you, Paul. One of the best lawyers, go to Kennedy Agyapong. He has all my address. Go and take all my company address. Oh, Kennedy Agyapong. Now, my lawyers in me. Now, quickly, he goes down there and says, oh, every time they are linking me to a woman. And then Nenia Bema and Adam for KOD so Imbrebi Okai. You see this video? Time a KOD cast a Paul Admotre ni pafun ni patantain or say fie a manful fee no say it was KKD Kwesi Chedakwa. I'm sorry. Time a Kwesi Chedakwa Imbrebi Paul Bedidi Kwesi Chedakwa sem. Na Kwesi Chedakwa kase Paul is a filthy dirty man. Na akwara bi na no ne namono. Or ye den on akwara na me. KKD knows a lot. But I think he was being matured on TV. Because whether we like it or not, once in a while men see other women. But my issue here is you don't enter somebody's home and break it. And the KKD was directing Paul to, who you have even broken a home. KKD, sa video and I all refer to say, Paul, that day you came to this event which I was there. Sabayo do it, what is the story? Now you get it. Now let me show Adebiwa. Paul Adomo, you say lady ni anything. Just a mere friend. Na Ohunu Eyikeke. October 1st. This lady has 4 kids. Now on a bear manati, a warrior, Paul Adomo and the Gua warrior. But I don't want to go there. Maybe check me Paul Adomo natural the intimacy with this lady. Me, I am protecting my credibility and my platform. I advised you from the beginning, but you didn't listen. Because no more drugs in Libya, you think everybody is a fool. I'm going to show you the intimacy. Paul and my girl we were never on into Kwanko baby ada onim obano. I want to show you the kind of person Paul is. Paul tells us he has not dated this lady. On in intimacy baby. Paul Adomo and this lady, they even have breakfast in bed. I've not gotten to the climax. Paul Adomo and this girl, they go all the way back about 5 years. They have breakfast in bed. I have pictures, nude pictures, which I don't want to put on, but I want to do something first. Yeah? This is Paul Adomo. Even when he's having a show at Metro TV, this girl sits behind the show.
Yo, Winnie, and somewhere Paul Adomo who edited to their word. Somewhere can tell Akafano home. Now, I knew ye and I would be able to get and no lie, check and tell before I was adding more revelation about the Tuga. Because this is so and all, say we don't subscribe. Yeah, but what you say, always subscribe to the channel. No, now face over like video. No, and quite share my offer for so now. When you be here now, go home and some person ever Ghana memoir. I feel also getting Otchere what we have here. Some women are will comment boxing. Waiting in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.